Bharati Public School, ROHINI from 6th class. Today I will be telling you about life cycle of a star. Have you ever wondered what stars are? What are they made up of? And most of all, do you know that just like all living beings, they also have a lifespan? Stars are born and they also die to keep the universe alive. Birth of a star. Stars are born in a dense cloud of hydrogen gas called nebula. Example, in the constellation of Orion, we can see a bright spot of stardust. Now, what is a star? Star is a huge ball of fire where two hydrogen atoms fuse to form a new atom called helium. This chemical reaction releases a huge amount of energy in the form of heat and light. Just like our sun, all other stars release their own light. That is why we can see so many stars in our night sky. Lifespan of a star. Depending on the mass and size, every star has a limited lifespan. A star can live as long as the fusion reaction goes on. We have medium-sized stars like our sun, and giant and supergiant stars like Spica in Virgo constellation and Regal in Orion constellation. Once the star gets exhausted with hydrogen, it fuses helium, then carbon, oxygen and nitrogen. A star can live for 100 to 10,000 million years. Death of a star. Stars are born in a nebula and die again depending on their mass and size. Medium-sized stars. Medium-sized stars like our sun will turn into a red giant. Finally, it changes into a very small and faint star as white dwarf. Planetary nebula is a stage where the star loses its outermost layer from a red giant to white dwarf. Once the iron is formed in the center of the red supergiant, it cannot be fused further. Hence, the fusion reaction suddenly stops and it causes the star to burst out all its energy, matter and light. Giant and supergiant stars like Spica will turn into a red supergiant where the fusion reaction starts forming other heavy elements like magnesium, silicon and iron. Once the iron is formed in the center of the red supergiant, it cannot be fused further. Hence, the fusion reaction suddenly stops and it causes the star to burst out all its matter, energy and light in space as called supernova explosion. During this stage, the core of a star collapses in itself to form a neutron star. When supergiant stars collapse during supernova, their center of gravity fuses together the entire core of the star to form a black hole. Conclusion. Stars are born like our sun to make us live on planet like Earth. They are element factory where all elements are formed. They die and release all matter, energy and dust to form other stars, planets and other heavenly bodies. Hence, they keep the universe alive.